Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, fashion, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. Today's video we're going to be trying on some of our June BoxyCharm products. So I have the box here. So we're gonna go through one by one, and then I'm going to put a little video on one of my side here so you guys can see how the product works. Alright, so let's dig into this box because I'm super excited. Alright, so June BoxyCharm theme is Express Yourself. Beautiful, colorful, like Pride Month kind of theme, which is cool. So the first product here is going to be the Too Faced lip injection. That's this beauty right here, and I'm using today on the top of my lipstick. So when I actually use it like on bare lips, and then I put the lipstick and then apply a little bit more on the top. It actually tingles when you use on the bare lips more than does on the top of the lipstick. So just put that out there, but it just give you a beautiful plump lips effect if that's what you like or you're looking for. Too Faced is the #1 lip gloss brand in America. Are you ready for the ultimate plumping experience? Too Faced pushes limit to the maximum with the lip injection Maximum Plump. You will see and feel result instantly. Cool. So they have like this little heart here. They actually have a little sensor that you tap your phone here, so they're gonna give you more info about the lip injection. That's so cool. I have to try that later, not now. Cool. So, and this beauty here retails for $32. All right, so this was product #1 on June BoxyCharm base box. So the second product here is going to be violetvoss Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow Pressed Pigmented Palette, and this palette is so beautiful. This the box look like. I actually use the eyeshadows to create this beautiful eye look, and that's what the palette look like. The colors are gorgeous. I love the color theme. This is definitely one of the color theme that I'm using a lot. I love all the shades. Very pretty. Alright. And this is Sunkissed Summer Pro Series Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment. Cool. Alright, achieve the most iconic summer looks year around with the universally flattering warm and neutral, from sunny golds to blazing hot rose golds. Experience the from ultra smooth matte to dazzling metallic that's layer and blend seamless with one another. And this beauty here retails for $37, and it's a new launch for violetvoss. So the next product here is going to be Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer, and I am using this primer today under my foundation. I think I filmed a little piece for you guys. Formulate to fade out your brightest beautiful boundaries, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The antioxidant-rich formula gently blends into the skin, providing a smooth appearance and prolonging the wear time of makeup. And this beauty here retails for $38, and this also is a new launch. And the next product here is going to be this cute little bronzer here from Vice Art. I think that's the name. If I'm not, I'm butchering, sorry. Vice Art Bronze Noix. Create all over warmth with the dimension with this lightweight, long-wearing matte bronze collection. Add shape and structure or create a sublime sun-kissed complexion, and this beauty here retails for $30. I love this so much. I'm using today. Love it. Love the packaging. Look how gorgeous this is. The packaging comes with a nice built-in mirror. And one thing that I like about these two is this actually is magnetic pen. So if you really like the product, I really like this one. You can actually just buy another pen when you finish, and it's super nice size if you want to carry in your purse. So I really enjoy this product. I love it. I love the matte shade, and I love that it's not so some bronzers sometimes can be quite like in the orange side, and this one actually it's not, so it was a plus for me. So love this. And the last product on June base BoxyCharm is Beauty Vault Eyeliner. This highly pigmented liquid eyeliner is long wearing and waterproof. The felt tip glides easily to create the precise clean lines, and this retails for $18 at Beauty Vault. And I am wearing the eyeliner today. Actually, it's really nice. I like it. Performed really good. So yeah. And this was the last product for Eyes for June base box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing review trying product, and I see you guys next video. And keep your eyes out because the Luxe box we got this month, so it's coming out next video. See you then. Bye.